Alright there, YouTuber friends and subscribers. Here's something a little bit different. We got the Marky G just showed up here. And we're going to give you a little rundown on this beautiful Ford he just brought back. And he's going to do a restoration on it. So there you go, Marky G, take over.
How you doing, everybody? This is my grandson's truck. It's been in the family for 20 years. His other grandfather gave it to him. And then I promised him restoration for his graduation. Thus, this was graduation. I went to Texas and picked it up. This is a 77 Ford 150 Ranger XLT, which I guess they're hard to come by. It's in really nice shape, no rust on it, minimal dents. Everything works on this truck. I'm impressed. All the bright and the chrome look good. Tailgate works perfect. You can tell this truck was not an abused truck.
Factory paint?
All factory paint on this truck. All factory bright. They did take off the wheels, and you can tell there's no rust on this truck. All the lips are there. It's a perfect example of a Western vehicle.
That's amazing.
Interior is original interior. Minimal, that's dirt. That's Texas dirt right there.
Incredible.
But look at the seat. The carpets are original. Dashboard. Everything looks great on this truck. This truck came through with a V8. I guess it was the Camper Special. If you look inside,
it might give me. Oh, this might take two shots. Oh!
If you look inside, it's got the power brakes. There's no rust. Original jack, air conditioning, cruise control. This was the top of the line truck back in the day. So this heart does not work so good. It barely runs. But I'm going to put a Mustang fuel injected GT engine in it. And we're going to retrofit the AC. And we're going to paint all inside of this truck. And it's going to look nice. Bottom line, what I'm doing for my grandson is giving this baby a new heart. And going to put a new dress on her. And then he'll be down the road towed.
It's got a nice heavy-duty radiator.
Well, that's about it for me, folks. You can see this truck's a beautiful truck. And everything we need, like all the brights. This piece right here is only $100 on LMC, new lights. It's going to get all that. I'm going to keep as much of the original parts as necessary. But there you have it. Western example of a nice truck.
All right, so let's get a little shot of your company here. And what do you do there at Marky G's Mustangs?
I redo Mustangs, the SN95 body from 1994 to 2004, Cobras and GTs. I do parts, performance, sales, and service. That's what I do. That's my hobbyist.
All right, and you're up there in New Hampshire.
I'm in New Hampshire, which is far away. I know it's not good, but I do all right. Yeah. I have clients all over the country.
Yep, you got a couple of Cobras and Salines too, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Let me get that in there.
Also doing a Roush Mustang right now as we speak. 26,000 miles, stage 3 Roush, which will be for sale probably by the end of the fall.
All right, well, there you have it. And this showed up here last night, come in about 11 p.m. So this truck is absolutely beautiful.
Check out that hood ornament. Ever seen one like that?
Nope. Yeah, these are very hard to find. You got to go way out west to get these trucks. And that's factory paint, if you can even imagine that. That's just fantastic. If you're going to do a restoration, that's the vehicle you want to do it to. One that's not rotten, because you fix a rotten truck and you still end up with a rotten truck, sadly. All right, well, there it is. I'm going to cut it off here, and I just thought I'd share this beautiful old Ford that's about to get a new lease on life. All right, that's it. I'm out.